अगर तू परिंदा है तो आसमान तेरा है, अगर तू परिंदा है तो आसमान तेरा है, अगर तू दरिंदा है तो शमशान तेरा है। भाईचारे के साथ रहना है तो रह इस जमीन पर, भाईचारे के साथ रहना है तो रह इस जमीन पर, वरना ये कब्र भी तेरी है और ये कब्रिस्तान भी तेरा है। कहते हैं हम अपने जान के दुश्मन को जान कहते हैं, मोहब्बत की इसी मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं। जो ये दीवार की सुराख है, जो ये दीवार की सुराख है, चाइना, अमेरिका, पाकिस्तान साजिशों का हिस्सा है, मगर हम इसे अपने घर का रोशनदान कहते हैं। A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I'm Aarti in front of you to talk about a very important topic, and that is national integration. National integration is a psychological process and a feeling which shows that the feeling of brotherhood or love and belonging towards the nation among the people of a country. Having the power of integration among the people living in a country is very necessary for the all-round development of that country. Integration simply means working together, maintaining mutual love and brotherhood in spite of differing views and different beliefs in all the constituents of the nation. In national integration, not only physical proximity is important, but it also requires equality of mental, intellectual, ideological and emotional closeness to save our India from the slavery, communal conflicts and riots. It is very important to have a national integration in our country. How important is national integration for a country, or we should be understood from the slavery of British for more than 200 years. I want to say a line in Hindi, जरा सोचिए ये पेड़ ये पौधे भी परेशान हो जाए अगर परिंदे भी हिंदू और मुसलमान हो जाए। बड़ी बड़ी बातें नहीं, छोटी छोटी कोशिशें करनी होगी, बड़ी बड़ी बातें नहीं, छोटी छोटी कोशिशें करनी होगी, क्योंकि ठोकर हमें पहाड़ से नहीं पत्थरों से लगा करती है। Economic and social inequality is the major obstacle in national integration. Communalism, linguisticism, apartheid, ethnicity, corrupt education, corrupt politics are also the major obstacle in integration. The root of inequality is ego and selfishness. It is very necessary to leave these things. Unity in diversity is our national identity. It is our duty to maintain. Today, daughter of India, I say that our nation building will be possible with full responsibility when we all try together in all of us. Because it is not the responsibility of our country to take us forward, but it is our responsibility to take our country forward, to take our nation forward. At the end, while pausing my speech, I want to say that अगर तू परिंदा है तो आसमान तेरा है, अगर तू परिंदा है तो आसमान तेरा है, अगर तू दरिंदा है तो शमशान तेरा है। भाईचारे के साथ रहना है तो रह इस जमीन पर, भाईचारे के साथ रहना है तो रह इस जमीन पर, वरना ये कब्र भी तेरी है और ये कब्रिस्तान भी तेरा है। Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.